So let's have this problem. So for the limit of trigonometric function, then for this given, so the limit of 5x times sine 2x as x approaches to pi over 4. So since pi is equal to 180 degrees, so for this pi over 4, this is equal to 180 divide by 4, and that's equal to 45 degrees. So to solve now for this limit and for this 5x, since x is not an angle, so therefore x is equal to pi over 4. So this is 5 times pi over 4. Then for the sine 2x, since x is an angle, so therefore x is equal to 45 degrees. So we have sine 2 times 45 degrees. Then to simplify, so this is 5 pi over 4. Then sine 2 times 45, that's 90 degrees. Then we have 5 pi over 4, and this sine 90. So for sine 90 equals, that's positive 1. So this is positive 1. So therefore the limit is equal to 5 pi over 4. Then for this limit, so since pi is equal to 180 degrees, so this 2 pi over 3, so this is 2 times 180 degrees divide by 3. So we have 2 times 180, then divide by 3 equals, that's 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees. Then to solve now for this limit, so for this 4x, since x is not an angle, so therefore x is equal to 2 pi over 3. So this becomes 4 times 2 pi over 3. Then for this cosine x over 2, since x is an angle, so x is equal to 120 degrees. So this becomes cosine 120 degrees divide by 2. Then to simplify, so this is over 1. So 4 times 2, this is 8. So we have 8 pi then over 3. Then for this cosine, 120 divided by 2, this is 60 degrees. Then we have 8 pi over 3 then times this cosine 60 degrees. So cosine 60 degrees, that's 1 half. So this is 1 over 2, or that's 0.5. Then to simplify, so this is 8 pi over 6, then reduce, divisible by 2. So this is 4 pi over 3. So the limit is equal to 4 pi over 3. Then for this limit, so since this pi over 6, this is equal to 180 degrees divided by 6, and this is 30 degrees. So since x is an angle, so this limit becomes sine 30 degrees plus cosine 30 degrees then over tangent 30 degrees. Since the angle is 30 degrees, so using this special triangle, the 30, 60, 90 degrees angle, and this is 30 degrees, the opposite side is 1, the adjacent, that's square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2. So for sine 30, that's equal to 1 over 2. So the opposite over the hypotenuse, and cosine 30 degrees, the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Then for tangent 30 degrees, so we have the opposite over the adjacent. So substitute this value to this limit. So sine 30, that's 1 over 2, then plus cosine 30, that's square root of 3 over 2, then over tangent 30, that's 1 over square root of 3. Then simplify. So since these two fractions have the same denominator, so we can combine. So this is 1 plus square root of 3 over 2, then times the reciprocal of this denominator, and that's square root of 3 over 1. Then to simplify, so multiply this square root of 3, distribute to every term. So this is square root of 3, then plus this square root of 3 times square root of 3. This is positive 3. So just cancel the square root, or that square root of 9. Then over 2 times 1, that's 2. So the limit is square root of 3 plus 3 over 2.